right now I have developed the tool. So to use the tool, all you have to do is just place these two files in a single folder. That is, both the access file and the Excel file should be in a same folder. So now I am opening the Excel file. So once you open the Excel file, you will be directly taken to the menu sheet. This is the gateway through which you will have access to multiple macros present in this file. So look for this view, any messages at the top bar, and then click enable editing and check if macros are enabled properly. That's it. So we are good to use this tool now. First thing is, so I'll explain what are these options. So we have 4 options here. One is import, another is save, another one is update, the last one is open. So import is nothing but we have data in Access database. So I have added one more field called report date. So based on that report date, you can import data for all the 4 sheets, that is strategy orders, broker fields, and broker strategy order allocation. So for all the 4 sheets, you can import data from the Access database based on the date you type here, and the date format should be mm/dd/yyyy. So it should be like for 7th November, it should be 11-07-2014. The next one is save. Save is so whatever data you have on the workbook, and if you click save, enter data from all the sheets, all the 4 sheets will get saved into the Access database with this date as report date. So as of now is this report date, this date which is under save will get automatically picked up from the system's date. So as of now my system date is 11-06-2014. So this will change automatically whenever the system date changes. So if you open on 11/07, it will be showing as 11/07. This is automatic, and in case if you want to change, you can change it manually just by double clicking here and remove this and enter a date in mm/dd/yyyy format. And update, this particular update is still in progress. As of now I have completed for import, save and open. So let's see how it goes. So as of now, as you can see, I'm going to delete for demo purpose. I'm going to delete data from all the sheets. I have deleted all the sheets, and let's first see how the input works. So for testing purpose, I have added records with date 11/08/2014. So I'm going to change this date as 11/08/2014 and press import. So import completed. Let's check the sheets. So as you can see, from the database records will be picked, and here you will have the date. So this date column on the Excel sheet is just for reference, and you can either delete that or change it, and whatever you want you can do on this column. It is not going to affect the data. This is just for reference. This particular date column is just for reference. So we have data on all the sheets. Now let's check. Let's revert back this date to 06 and again check. So whenever this import data is imported, existing data on the sheets will be deleted and the import will take. So which means that any data which you have on sheets will get deleted and fresh data will be imported from the Access database. So I have changed it to 11/06/2014 and I press import. So you can see every data will be related to 11-06. So this is all with respect to the import. with respect to save, let's see, do something. So what I'm going to do, I need to enter fresh data, that is a new data for today's date, but I have some old entries which were imported from the Access database. So now I want to delete these data. So all I should do is just go here. You can see a clear icon like a brush. Just click that, and all the data from all sheets will be cleared, and the book will be ready for fresh data entry. And so I'm going to make a fresh data entry. So strategy order ID, so I'm going to enter new strat ID 1. So what happens is, once you start typing on the empty row, these fields will get a drop down. So for symbol I have a drop down, for action I have a drop down, extra signal type, this can be limit. I have for type I have a drop down. Price is 803, shares I'm going to leave is empty, scale empty, and variation empty, OC target quantity. OC we have a drop down. Target quantity is 23. I'm just for entering dummy data, and you can change it. Broker we have a drop down. And so I'm going to enter one more, but I'm going to copy entire data from here to here, and one more. This will be 3, and this will be like 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. Now so now strategy orders are ready. The drop downs will be picked from here, mapping sheet. So in this mapping sheet you can add symbols. I have written a macro that will arrange this each and every single column in this mapping sheet in ascending order, so it will be easy for you to pick a name and select it from the drop down. So you can type any names on the macro which is running behind. Will also delete duplicates, so you don't have to worry. All you have to do is just type some values here, and the macro will take care of the rest. So now I am going back to strategy. As you can see, there are the broker orders, broker fills, and the broker strategy order allocation are empty. Now I am going to assign a broker order group ID for strategies. So I am going to, these two are similar. So I'm going to just, so how to do is, all I have to do is just select these two. It is to assign a broker order group ID. Select the transactions, just the first just the cells on column A. Select those two and right click. So you'll get a prompt. Enter 1 to add an entry to broker orders. Enter 2 to add an entry to broker fills. So we don't have a broker fills, but let's try to add let's try option 2. So it will say there is no broker orders entry for these strategy orders, please fix that and try again. So let's go ahead and make a broker entry for broker orders. So I'm entering 1, press OK. Enter broker order group ID for selected transaction. So we have selected 2 and 3. I'm entering B1 as ID. Okay, let's see. See, I have entered B1. The rest of the things will be copied. So if you look at the order quantity, here I have selected both the transactions, that is row 2 and 3. So here it will appear as 46, and broker fills will be empty, of course. And for broker strategy order allocation, so I have B1 and B2 strategy order ID. So this is selected. Now I am going to add one more for this. So here I will add 1, so B2 B2, and here we also have the mapping. Now let's add a broker fields. Again, you have to do is just select the transaction ID and add broker fields. Now I will be adding two. I'm going to add broker fields now. Press OK. Enter broker order ID. So BR1 and BR2. If you look at the broker fields, we'll have the entire thing copied. So it's all the entire action, the entire process we can complete right away from the strategy orders sheet. So you don't have to type anything on broker orders, or you don't have to type anything on broker fields, you don't have to type anything on broker strategy order allocation. Every task you can complete directly from the strategy orders. So once you complete, you can go directly and press save. Oh, sorry. Just give me a second. Press save. I developed this tool on one of my other laptop, and for for creating a demo video I'm using another laptop, so that's the reason I have changed the access path. So I'm going to click save. Oh, sorry. I'm going to click save. So data will be saved. That's it. So now let's check import for import is completed. Now if you look at that. So this is the whole things that we entered. This is the old ID. So now we have entire records, old and the new. So this is the old and these are the new which we entered. So that's it. So tomorrow I'll be working on the update data part. So till then you can have a try. You can try this and let me know how it works.